Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Children, we all have learned till vowels A and E, and you remember their sounds also, the phonic sounds. A says E and E says a short sound, E. Right children? And today we will begin with another phonic sound, and that is I. But before we start, let's sing a song. Everyone, are you ready? Okay, get set, go. Sing with me, all together. Sing with me, all together. Sound of vowel O, 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 O. Sound of vowel O, O, O. Oh, sing with me. Sing with me. All together. All together. Sound of vowel I. Vowel I and its sound. Sound of vowel I. E, 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 E. Vowel I as in E. Okay children, now you know the sound of vowel I. Vowel I says E as in bib. B, E, B. Bib. Vowel I says E as in bib. You know children what is bib? Bib is generally worn by infants, small children who are learning to eat during the time of having food. Vowel I as in fig. Fig. F, E, G. Vowel I as in fig, E. You know children, fig is a dry fruit. Alright, it is called anjeer in Hindi. Let's come to another example. Vowel I as in pin. P, E, N. Vowel I, E as in pin. Okay children, now you all know the sound or the sound of vowel I. Vowel I says E. Let us see and observe the sound of vowel I with various consonants. You all remember the consonants? B, C, D and so on. They all are the consonants. Let's look at the screen. The first consonant is B. B plus I. You remember the sound? Yeah? B and I. I says E. B and B says B. B, E. B. Alright? The sound of E and B. The sound of B and I becomes B. Let's look at another consonant. D. D says D. D and E together forms D. D. D and I says D. Let's look at another consonant. F. F says F. 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 F and I together forms Fee. Fee. You know children, some people also call F with the phonic sound of F. Alright, so both are correct. G and I together forms G, E, Gi, Gi. H and I together forms H, E, He, He. Looking at letter J, the consonant J says J. J and I says J, E, G, G. K and I says Ki, Ki. Similarly, L and I will say L, E, Li. Right. M and I will say Me, Me. Let's look at other consonants. Consonant N says N. N and I together says Ni. Letter E. Letter P says P. P and I, that is E. P. R and I, re. Re. S and I together says S-E. C. C. Similarly, T and I together says T. T. We says V and I together says we. We. W and I says we. We. Y and I says ye. Ye. And Z and I or Z and I says Z. Z and I together forms Z. Z. So children, now you have learnt when we put any consonant before I, the sound changes and it becomes two-letter word. Keep on revising these two-letter words and try for more consonants yourself. As you know, practice makes man perfect. Remember the phonic sound of letter I. Alright children, now it's time for me to say bye-bye.